talk about something that I'm sure we all have from time to time, and that's this lonely, overripe banana. Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Pen, and today I'm going to cough just for a change. No, today I'm going to talk about something that I'm sure we all have from time to time, and that's this lonely, overripe banana. So what can you do with it? Well, I couldn't eat it like this because it's far too sweet. I could pop it in the freezer and then I could make banana ice cream. I could make banana bread, but banana bread generally needs more than one banana. Sorry, excuse me. Right, sorry about that. It generally needs more than one banana. So I thought, okay, let's make some banana pancakes. And that's exactly what we're going to do. And all I need is one very ripe banana, 120 grams of self-raising flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can use any sugar you like. I'm just using ordinary caster sugar. And then I have 150 ml of milk. So let's show you what we're going to do. Oh, it smells so much, this banana. Right, there you go. Well overripe, isn't it? To eat. Right, I'm going to just pop it into a bowl. Dispose of the peel. Oh, do you know you can make a mock bacon with banana peel? I did suggest that to Steve. I won't tell you what he said because it wasn't polite. So we've got our banana mashed down. I mean, perfect for babies like this, obviously. And then you're going to add in your dry ingredients. And we're just going to mix this all together. Make sure that the banana is nicely distributed. Because, well, after all, they are banana pancakes, are they not? Right, make a well in the centre and add your milk, just like making any pancakes. Yeah, it's nothing different. But what I meant to say is this one, because it uses no eggs, and you could use oat milk, coconut milk, soya milk, anything else, these could become vegan pancakes. So, and that's if you use oil to cook them in. I'm going to cook mine in batter. Right, really thick. We're not making English style pancakes. We're making like thick American style. So we're just going to whisk that all together. Now you could put a little bit of cinnamon in this, and I think I might actually. Right, okay, cinnamon. We'll just shimmy a little cinnamon in. And you can add that to taste, obviously, or don't add it at all, that's fine. And that is all there is to it. So we now need to go over to the hob and cook. Right then, I've got a knob of butter in the pan and it's heating up quite nicely. Melting butter, flavour, that's what you're going to get. And then I'm just going to go in with a ladle of, just slightly less, my mix. and let them cook. I know you can't see because I've got a blooming bowl in the way. What a plonker. Right. These two might join together, mightn't they? Let's just, no, they haven't. They've kept it apart. And once I get lots of bubbles appearing on the surface, I know that these are okay to turn. So I'll come back to you when that's happened. These are going too far. I got distracted, but the bubbles are there. And we're just going to turn them a little bit burnt on the edges, but that was my fault because I wasn't concentrating on what I was doing. I was playing with my strawberries. But these will just need another minute on this side, and we'll get them all cooked and show you. Right, the last one cooked, so that made 4 banana pancakes. So as you can see, I've just got some berries there, and I'm going to pour on a little maple syrup. Now these won't be as fluffy as an American pancake. They won't be as white as an American pancake, and that is purely because of the banana. But we need to know how it tastes, don't we? So as I was saying, let's have a taste. Right, the texture. Oops, can't see that, can you? There you go. Right. Definitely chewier than a normal pancake, but that banana flavour is superb. And these strawberries I'm really disappointed in. Bought them in Morrison's yesterday, and today they're literally on their last legs. So not impressed with that. But then if you see July's haul, you'll know I wasn't impressed with, the shopping haul that is, you'll know I wasn't impressed with Morrison's at all. Right, here we go. Oh, they're good. Right, banana pancakes. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Don't throw away that last pretty ropey looking banana. Make banana pancakes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again very soon in the kitchen with Pen. Bye for now.